Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share, give comments, and also if you're not a subscriber yet, please remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. If you are a subscriber, thank you and welcome to my YouTube family. And I hope you enjoy this video today. This video is about making some homemade dog food for your little furry friends. So I hope you'll enjoy it. Stick around and watch. And I thank you for watching. And let's get on with the video. Okay, I'm making ground turkey for the dogs. And I just cooked it up. And then you can get fresh vegetables or frozen or corn. You can put corn in it. You can get any kind of fresh vegetables, canned vegetables, frozen vegetables, whatever you want. There are some recipes that you can follow. I have followed these. Whoops, dropping stuff. I have followed these recipes before in this book. This is a good book to get if you find any recipes in dog recipe books. So there's a lot of good recipes in there that I've used. But sometimes I just make up my own. And so anyway, I just got some ground turkey in here. You can use ground turkey, ground chicken. And you just cook it up. And then I put like little canned corn, little canned peas. And I'm going to put that in this bowl right here. Dump that in here. Sweet potatoes are actually good. Now don't ever use white potatoes because that's not good for them. And then I cooked up just some plain white rice. Actually, it's not plain white rice. I take that back. It's what kind of rice did we get?
We always get jasmine rice.
Jasmine rice. That's right. Jasmine rice. I don't know if I'm gonna need all of that. And all this is unseasoned. I put just a little bit of salt in the rice when it was cooking. But to be honest, this is much healthier for them than the dry dog food. And I used to fix this all the time, actually, for my little poodle. Actually, she was a poodle chihuahua. Why am I saying that? She was a poochow, I called her. So she was more of a chihuahua, I think. But anyway, I used to feed her this kind of stuff all the time. I used to fix her food for her more than buying dog food. Really, because it just came out cheaper. And she lived to be 20 years old. So if anybody has anything to say, there's just that out there for you. But anyway, you can just mix it up like that. Let it cool down real good. You can put it in little small baggies. Put it in the freezer if you want. Pull it out when you need it. And feed it to them. As usual, we have 2 dogs, so I might freeze some of it. I'll put some in a container and put it in the refrigerator. But just to show you how much they're going to like this, you get their bowls. Because I know they haven't ate dinner. And you can see how they just gobble that right up. So that's how you make...
You didn't put no dog food with it?
No. Don't have to. Now you can put some regular dry dog food with it if you want. Or you can feed it to them just like that. So they love that. So that's how you make some homemade, nutritious healthy dog food. So if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And please remember to share. Please remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and click that notification bell. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. And thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.